Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to select just one page from PDF document. Enjoy! So I've prepared here PDF document. I'm using Microsoft Edge. Everyone has this software in computer. You can see all the document and some pages. Total of the pages is 5, and I want to select just this page. Hit Ctrl P. Save as PDS. Pages select by number. Now easily you can click save and save. Now I will check my final document, so I can click on page 3 and we can see that I have just page 3 from my document. So for today it was all. If you like this video, give me a like or comment or subscribe my channel on YouTube and stay tuned, because next time I will show you more life hacks with PDFs documents. Ciao!